Hola chicas, Senor Callahan here. Hope you've had a lovely Christmas. And unfortunately, we're back to doing home learning again. So hopefully we can try and get as much of this book covered as we can in the next few weeks. Okay. Just to let you know that I'm going to upload videos for most of the week, but I'm going to try and do the odd live class as well during the week, just to get in touch with you to make sure everything's going okay for you. Um, I'm going to probably upload 2 or 3 videos a week and do maybe one live class for about maybe 20 minutes, to see if you need help with anything in particular. So today we're continuing on with the topic of Mi Familia, this chapter here, and we're going to start off on Página 69, page 69. Okay. I'm just going to run through the top 2 comprehensions here, and I'm going to send you out a little bit of a listing to do as well, and a couple of these questions as well. All right. If you have any questions, please don't be scared to get in touch. All right. So we're just going to read to the first one. Okay. So the first one we got here is Me llamo José y tengo 13 años. Remember here, your verb tengo is the verb I have. Okay. Soy alto, moreno y no soy gordo. Okay, so soy alto, remember this is your verb soy, I am. Alto, tall, moreno, dark haired. Y no soy gordo, I'm not fat. En mi familia somos, so this somos means here we are, alright? 5 personas. Tengo un hermano y 2 hermanas. So I have a brother and 2 sisters. Alright, so that's Jose. Then we've got Estela. Me llamo Estela y tengo 14 años. So my name's Estela and I'm 14 years old. Soy baja, delgada y no soy fea. So she's baja, she's short, delgada, thin, y, that's your and there. No soy fea, I'm not ugly. Somos 3 personas en mi familia. We are 3 people in my family. Okay. Tengo una hermana, I have a sister. All right. So first thing I want you to do, the first little exercise I would like you to do is I want you to read through these here. Okay. So remember here, nombre is name, edad is age. Okay. Descripción is your description. Familia, so how many people have they got in their family? You can just write that as a number. And do they have brothers or sisters? Okay, so you're just going to fill in Spanish. Okay, so their dads, you write that as number. How do they describe themselves? Are they gordo, feo, whatever? Familia, how many is in their familia, and how many hermanos or hermanas do they have? Is that okay? So that's the first thing I'd like you to try. All right. Second thing I want you to try is this little green box here. Okay, so ¿cuántas personas hay en su familia? How many people are there in his family? Okay, that's the first question. ¿Cómo se llama? What is his or her name? 3. ¿Tiene hermanos? So tiene hermanos is do you have this would actually mean do you have siblings? Could also mean do you have brothers, but in this sense here I think it's to do with siblings. Okay, tiene hermanos, do you have siblings? Okay, like brothers or sisters. ¿Cómo es? How would you describe them? So you're describing the person here. You're just describing what they look like, or their personality. ¿Cuántos años tiene? How old are they? Okay, so there's your questions. These are your 5 questions. Then here are your 5 answers you're going to have to match up. Okay, so se llama José. His or her name is José. Tiene 13 años. He or she is 13 years old. Es alto y moreno, so they're tall and dark haired. No es gordo. He or she is not fat. Okay, so no es here means it's not. That's how you make something negative. All right. En su familia hay 5 personas. In his or her family, there are 5 people. 5. Okay. Remember, su here is his or her. All right. Tiene un hermano y 2 hermanas. Okay, so I have a brother, or he or she has a brother and 2 sisters. All right. So what you want to do here is you're just going to match these up and you're just going to fill them into your textbook, fill them into your copybook. Okay, just fill them into your copybook. All right, is that okay? So you're just going to match those up, and you're filling them in as you get on with them. All right, perfecto. And the last little bit today, just to get you started into the online learning, is this little listening here. I'm just going to do this right here. Okay, so this little listening is I want you to see this little listening here. I want you to try this little listening here. I'm going to send you out the listening track to it. So all you have to do is fill in the details, okay? So you got más familias, more families, okay? So the first thing you got is your nombre, is their name, okay? Edad, once again, age. Okay? Descripción, description. Familia, family, okay? That's their family. And then hermanos, hermanas, brothers and sisters. Brothers/sisters. So I'll send you out the track list, just play it, and I want you to fill in the details for Diego and Pilar. So you're filling their edad, their age, their descripción, how they describe it, are they gordo, guapo, feo, alto, delgado, all those. ¿Cuántas personas hay en su familia? How many people in their family, and do they have brothers or sisters? Is that okay? So try those couple today, and we'll see how you get on. And we will talk again tomorrow. Okay, muchas gracias, chicas. If you have any problems, let me know. I'll hopefully try and get a live class in maybe towards the end of the week. Just fill those in, and I'll correct each of these. I'll correct each of these on a separate video. I'll go through them with you in another video, okay? Or we might do it in the live class later on in the week, all right? So we'll leave it at that for now. Try that and see how you get on, and I'll make another video with the corrections of these for tomorrow. Is that okay? Hasta viernes, or hasta mañana, see you tomorrow.